Hello, welcome to Calendar and Math today. So I'm going to bring this right on up to you. Yesterday was Monday, April 6th, so we are moving over one day on our calendar, highlighting that day, and tell me the today is statement, please. Today is April 7th, 2020. Excellent. So if you look right above the 7, you see what day of the week is it? Tuesday. Yes, today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. All right, if we look at our straws here, yesterday we had 3 straws in the ones column. Today I'm adding another one. 3 plus another one makes how many in the ones column? Yes, it does. It makes 4. Read that number for me. 144 days of school. Excellent. What does the number 144 mean? It does mean one group of 100, 4 groups of 10, and 4 ones. Excellent. So let's count that. Ready? Count with me. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141, 142, 143, and 144. Excellent. So what does that look like using our base 10 blocks? How do we make 144? I heard one group of 100, 4 tens, 4 groups of 10s, and 4 ones. Trying to grab them all at the same time. Let's see if I can do it. There we go. One group of 100, 4 tens, and 4 ones to make 144. A way to make that number. So let's write that number. 144. We have our 1 straight down, our 4 little down, little over, all the way down, and our other 4 little down, little over, all the way down, 144. Excellent work. Thank you for practicing that with me. Thank you, Blair. So we're going to begin by talking about yesterday's math. On your number talk, I got some amazing videos of everybody telling me exactly which numbers were greater than, less than, or equal to, and why they were exactly the way that I asked you to do it. Great job. But we're going to talk about the problem of the day and the different strategies you use to solve the problem of the day. So I had a number of people write the equation, 23 shells for Caitlin, plus 14 shells for her brother. And they did tell me what it equals. I'm not going to say it yet. The first thing I saw a lot of were drawing 23, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, and drawing 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then I saw friends work to combine them together. They put the 10s together and said 2 10s plus 1 more 10 makes 3 10s, 10, 20, 30, and 3 1s plus 4 more 1s makes 7 1s, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and they got 37. I love that. I had some friends who showed me on the equation that 2 10s plus 1 10 equaled 3 10s, and 3 1s plus 4 1s equaled 7 1s, and that's how they proved it to me. I had some that used their math manipulatives, and look at what one student did. One student took the 23 and they broke it into, trying to find room here, 20 plus 3, and they took the 14 and broke it into 10 plus 4, and then they added the 20 and the 10 together and got 30. And they added the 3 and the 4 together and got 7, and then said 30 plus 7 is 37. So many different strategies, but you did it. You knew that 10s had to be added to the 10s and the 1s had to be added to the 1s to be able to put it together and solve that problem. That's excellent. I loved all of those strategies. So now I'm going to take this chart off and flip it over for today's numbers so that you can do it again. And here we go. Here are your new number talks for today. So the same thing, you're going to talk through what each number is worth and how you know if it's greater than, less than, or equal. And you're going to prove that math to your adult at home and to me. So we've got 52 and 51. We've got 38 and 83. We've got 99 and 99. So you're going to work on that number talk for me. Now, let's look at our problem of the day. Here's today's problem. Now we're moving on to Amelia and her brother. So Amelia found 52 shells at the beach. Her brother found 33 shells. How many did they find altogether? Prove it. So what's the important information we have to know in this story problem to use? Yes, we have to know that Amelia found 52 shells and her brother found 33 shells. Those are important numbers we have to use. Let's read it a second time, and I want you thinking, what is the question asking? What do I have to do for this problem? Amelia found 52 shells at the beach. Her brother found 33 shells. How many did they find altogether? Prove it. So what is this story problem asking? Oh, it's asking how many shells they found all together. So here's Amelia's pile and here's her brother's. And it's asking all together how many is that? And I have to prove it again. Ooh, I can't wait to see that fantastic math. I'm going to reach behind me here. And I'm going to pull my bags back out from last week, but don't worry, it's not the same game. It's a little bit different, and it's not the same amount of pennies in there. That's a little bit different. So I still have my same bags. I still have pennies. Parents, you're going to have to manipulate this one a little bit. I need you to know that we are not ready for regrouping. So we have to make sure our ones digits stay 5 or less. Probably less than 5 would be safe so that there's no regrouping occurring yet. We're not quite to that level yet. We need to get very comfortable at this level first. So you need to manipulate the numbers inside of the bags just a little bit. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to reach inside your first bag. Take out your objects, whatever it is. I had the best objects last week. I love seeing cereal and pom-poms and all kinds of crazy things that you were using. It was fantastic. And after you pull those out, I want you to do the same thing. Arrange them in groups of 10s and 1s. Figure out how many are in that bag. Then you're going to do the same thing with your other bag. Pull those out. Arrange them in groups of 10s and 1s. Okay? Then this time, we're not doing the comparing which one is greater than or equal to or less than. Actually, you can do that if you want to. You can write that out. That would be a fantastic extra. But then here's what I want you to do. I want you to figure out how many do you have all together. And you take how many are in one bag and add it to the other one in the other bag, How many do you have all together? That's what I want you to really work on figuring out. If you need to do it a few times to really get the hang of it, that's great. Keep working hard. I love seeing all your submissions. Keep it up. I love the videos with the math talk. I love hearing your thinking. It's telling me so many important things when you send those in. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful rest of your day.